Hello everybody, welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I am introducing you brand new eyeshadow from Christian Dior. It's so beautiful. We have a three, I believe, shimmer color here and two matte colors. Look at these beautiful details. Of course, I already use, I create this look for you. In this video I'm gonna show you step by step how I create this look. Also, let me know if you like this hot lip color on me or not, and I will share my secret skincare routine with you. Okay, again, it's limited edition Christian Dior eyeshadow palette. It's number 589. It's Galaxy. It's so pretty. Let me bring you close this palette. It is beautiful. And again, it's already on me. It will be very easy, but it is definitely like more evening look, more fancy look, like if you're planning to go somewhere. But I promise it's a very easy application. Comments below, subscribe, and let's start. Love you more than ice cream. We're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette. I need to take care of my skin, and today I'm gonna use serum from La Mer. You use first, then we're gonna put on top moisturizer, and if my skin feels still dry, we're gonna add oil. And for eye, we're gonna use also La Mer eye serum. I need extra lift. And for eye cream, La Mer concentrate for wrinkles, for dark circles. And I love this eye cream. It's one of my favorite eye cream. Okay, let's take care of skincare, my skin first. Okay, for eye, let's do eye serum. Now I'm gonna use my favorite tool, Powder. Yes, it has this cooling effect. Yes, my eyelid sometimes puffy. Yes, sometimes my eyelid, like one it's up, another down. This is why I always lift in my eyelid with this tool. I love, again, it's Powder. I'm gonna list below, but I believe in these products because I do see results, and I do feel I need extra oil. Again, you can use oil before skincare, or like I like use today. I feel at least put after. I melt this product in my hand and I'm gonna just press. It feels so good. Because it's holiday collection, I feel I need to take care of extra. I need to make an extra step. I want my skin to look not just beautiful, flawless. I'm gonna use right now primer from Becca, and this is its priming filter base. It has slightly little bit color, but it's gonna slightly even my skin, extra hydration, and it will give me nice beautiful glow. Because I'm gonna use today foundation Estee Lauder Double Wear, and it's a matte finish foundation, and it's okay, like, because I need a good coverage, but I want little bit glow, and it's definitely glowing primer, and I love how it smells. Time to use Double Wear. It's #1 foundation in United States, medium to full coverage. Again, if you are dry, put a good hydrating primer, moisturizer too. Foundation, it's done. It looks so pretty, and now I'm using Forever Skin Corrector Concealer from Dior. I put a little bit on corner right here and right here, and you can use brush or you can use sponge. Now, because my eyelid is pretty dark, I'm gonna put little bit concealer also on my eyelid. And then we're gonna put bronze powder. Let's put together face first. For my powder, I'm gonna use Chanel. This is its sample and it's number 10. It's a sheer powder because I have full coverage foundation. I don't need today full coverage powder. Just gonna set my makeup and it will look very natural. For my highlighter and bronze, I'm gonna use Hourglass palette and it's a radiant light. This is like, it's little, I will use is a bronze, but it's not too dark, it's pretty light, but I really like how it looks on my face. It just gives you this beautiful glow, radiance look. Again, I'm gonna start with this darker color. Just a little bit warm my skin. And applying close to my hairline. This very pretty, my skin looks almost perfect. Now I'm gonna use this color. It's a lighter color, and this I will put two together. I'm gonna put just a little bit right here on top is my highlighter. With blush and lipstick, I'm gonna wait. Now we're gonna start working with eye. First, I'm gonna fill my eyebrows, then eyeshadow primer, and then we're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette. Eyebrows looks good, and now I'm gonna use brand new powder from Nars, and it's setting powder, translucent powder crystal. I'm gonna use my Beautyblender. And this is how it's come, and I'm gonna put little bit powder and I'm just gonna apply slightly under my eyes. I'm setting my concealer. So far I really like this powder. It looks beautiful. It's not give me like any dryness under my eyes. It's really sheer. And now let's do the eyes. First step, eyeshadow primer, and it's by MAC Painterly. It's one of my favorite on entire my eyelid, and I use a concealer brush. First color, which one we're gonna use, it's this beautiful brown color, and it looks like it have a little bit sparkle, and I'm gonna apply on the entire my low eyelid. Eyeshadow really pigmented. I have only one color with you. Now I have a big blending clean brush, and I'm just gonna little bit start pushing this brown color up very softly, like basically blending and pushing product up. And you can see one my eye and another eye. You can see how I push this darker brown just up, and it looks soft and smoky now. And this like a brown color, but it's have little bit like purple undertone. It's very pretty. Again, I have just only one color with you. Now I'm gonna use black gel eyeliner from Trish McAvoy, and I'm gonna apply very close to my lash line. Eyeliner, it's done, and now we're gonna use this black eyeshadow. I have a small tiny blending brush. It's my old Nars brush, and we're gonna use again this black eyeshadow, and it's have little bit sparkle, and I'm just gonna put on top of my eyeliner. Now I'm gonna use a clean, small, tiny brush, and we're gonna use again this beautiful brown eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use underneath. Now I have a big blending brush, it's clean, and I'm just gonna slightly little bit work in my corner. I'm gonna just little bit more blend right here. Now I'm again using this small magic brush, very tiny blending brush. I'm gonna put very little black color, very little, and I'm just gonna put a little bit right here on my crease. Now I have a small tiny brush. I'm gonna use this beautiful gray eyeshadow, and let me show you my eyes a little bit more close. I'm gonna put just this gray color right here on the center of my eye. And now it's time to use this beautiful white eyeshadow, which one we have on the center. And I'm using blending brush from Nars. I love this eyeshadow. My eye looks so elegant and classy. And now it's time to put mascara, and I'm gonna put false lashes. And look at how pretty. I'm gonna use Lancome Mascara Idol because I'm gonna put false lashes. I'm just applying very little and just separating my lashes. And of course we need to put mascara on the bottom. My lashes, it's done, but I see a little bit glue, and I'm gonna use, I believe it's Makeup Forever liquid eyeliner, and it's like beautiful navy color and like brown, black, all it looks like navy color will look beautiful. And I'm just gonna apply close to my lash line. It is beautiful. This navy eyeliner looks so pretty, but now I have Lancome brown kohl pencil, and it's a perfect liner for a waterline underneath. And now I promise it's a last step for the eye. I'm gonna use this beautiful, like it's a peachy gold eyeshadow. I'm not sure how it's gonna go on my eyelid. If it's not gonna look pretty, I will use white one. But for now, I'm gonna use this color, and I'm just gonna put on a corner, and we'll see how it's will give me this glow. No, I need to go with light color, with white. Oh yeah, it's a nice pop. Girls, what do you think about this eye look? I really like it. It's so pretty, it's classy, it's elegant, and you know, it just really elegant looking. My eyes looks beautiful. Okay, let's do the blush, little bit more highlighter and lipstick. For this spectacular look, I feel I need to put little bit more highlighter, and I'm gonna use Becca highlighter, and it's named Champagne Pop. I have a small sample, or maybe it's not a sample, I don't remember. And I'm just gonna put little bit more on top. Yeah, oh, you can see this glow. It's so pretty. But I need to tell you girls, today it's Tuesday. My husband not home, and can imagine when I finish this video, I'm gonna go to neighborhood with my little cookie Pomeranian, and that's it. And then I need to wash my face, but I look so pretty. I'm serious. I love how my eyes look, how my face look. Do not be scared about this eyeshadow palette. Again, it's a Galaxy number 589. It's limited edition. It's gonna be linked below, or you can go to my Instagram and shop from my link there. Okay. For blush, I'm gonna use Chanel, and it's number 602 Rose Ruben. I believe it's like a deeper, like a rosy color. And for my lips, I'm gonna use a lip color from Nars, and it's a Dragon Girl. It's a velvet matte lipstick. It's like lipstick and pencil together. You know, it's holiday. You don't see me much in red lipstick, but this one will look beautiful on me. Okay, let's finish this. And of course, if you like this video, please give me thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I'm working very hard for you. You know how sometimes you don't have time to brush your teeth. I have time to make a video for you. Please support, subscribe, comments below, and happy holidays. Lipstick's done, but let's use a little bit saving mist from Lancome to set my makeup. Woohoo! What do you think, girls? Do you like this hot lip color on me, or you prefer neutral nude color on me? Okay, comments below. Love you all, and I will see you in my next video. And again, holiday's almost here. Love you more than ice cream. Bye everybody.